was kind of sketch. Oh, oh, oh. Ooh. He's cracked out of his mind. Yeah, I know. Obviously. Yes. It got muddy fast.
Oh my god.
Oh, dang.
I can't even grab it.
My handle, good thing my handle fell on a good side.
No.
Bro, that would be so fun to rail. Sandy?
Rail?
Yeah.
Fuck.
No, I mean like, you go fast and you hit it hard.
Okay, we gotta watch out for the boy.
Fine. Here, you want to race? Yeah, just like start right here. But, I mean, you got more power. I'm at 47. More power versus more skill. Who is the winner? Alright, we'll do one lap. Ready? So go. Oh, little sketch. Bro, he takes the early lead. But Corbett's closing in on them on the back end. He's gonna get him in the booty hole, bro. Bro, you're actually cruising. Hitting the muddy parts, bro. Whoa! Got a little sketch on that bad boy. No, come on! No! No, you're gonna win with power! Oh my gosh! I'm so I think I got that whole thing.
That was a good ass race.
That was fun. Oh, there's some little bikes there. We'll probably have to get off. Whoa, is this what you wanted to hit? That was sick. Oh. Yo, yo, yo.
I think if we go into more power.
Stop.
Wait, what if we go in elevated?
Nah, I don't really want to try it. It's too steep. And it's too rocky.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That was a little ride I went on One Wheels with my friend. We had a good time. We did some off-road racing. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one, and bye.